Hi there, my name is Elizabeth and I am a professional writing tutor at the UNT Dallas Learning Commons. And today I'm going to show you just really quickly how to access the library's online database, which you can use to find credible sources for your research papers. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the library website, which is library.untdallas.edu. And from their homepage, there is a quick link to electronic resources. So you'll click on that, and there are tons of databases to choose from. Now, what I recommend if you don't know of a specific database for your major that you would want to use is you can use EBSCO or you can use Academic Search Complete. Those are good ones. I'm going to show you using EBSCO. Now, you might have to log in, but once you've done that, it'll take you to this page where you can go ahead and start searching. I'm going to search ESL students and mental health. I can do some advanced search options if I want. So if I scroll down here, there's different options. I always like to check scholarly peer-reviewed journals because we want good academic sources. And I say available in library collection and full text to make sure there's actually something that's available that I can read. And then I click search. And there are quite a few results, 4,500. So if I want, I can narrow it down even further by coming to this sidebar on the left. I can change the dates so it's more recent. I can also limit it to academic journals. And you'll have your list of sources here that you can look at. You can click on a source and you can look at the information and you can read the abstract and determine, is this a source that I want to use for my paper? And then you can actually go ahead and read the source from here. You can also open up the PDF as well. And you can email this to yourself if you want. I like to do that when I found good sources. You can go ahead and type in your email. And then you can also even add a citation here where it will automatically send you the APA citation and send it to yourself. So that's pretty handy. But yeah, that's pretty much the basics of using the online database. The librarians can really help you a lot more with some of the strategies to help narrow down your results and make sure you're getting really relevant results by the way that you word things and different options that you can do. So I highly recommend that if you're having any trouble with your research, go ahead and contact the library. You can go to their homepage, library.untdallas.edu, and you'll see their email here, library@untdallas.edu, is where you can send them an email to request assistance. They also have a lot of resources on their website that you can check out to help you with your research process. You can also visit the Learning Commons, make a writing appointment with us, and we can help you with any stage of your writing process. Visit our website, learning.untdallas.edu, for more information. All right, I hope this video was helpful, and we hope to see you soon.